Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty Zanzibar mix. So basically the Zanzibar mix is a combination of potato stew, then you add kachori, bajira, masala stick, chutney sauce and grilled skewers. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 4 boiled potatoes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some water. I'll start with 3 cups and I will add more, 1 cup of wheat flour, a quarter cup of lime or you can use some lemon juice, and some salt to taste. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll add some salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give a quick mix. Then lastly, gradually pour some water and mix everything well and nice. The mixture of the flour should be like this, and our flour mixture is ready. You're going to take a medium large pot and place it on a medium heat. Then add the flour mixture with approximately 3 cups in it and mix everything well and nice and let the mixture to cook on a medium heat. At this point, you're going to test if the salt is enough, and if not, you can add more salt. And I'm going to pour extra 3 cups of water. In total, I added 7 cups of water and mix well and let the soup to continue to cook on a medium heat. Lastly, you're going to add a quarter cup of lime or you can use some lemon juice and give a quick mix. Then lastly, add the boiled potatoes and mix everything well and nice and let it cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. After approximately 5 to 7 minutes, our Urojo is ready, as you can see in the video, and pour in a bowl. And our potato stew, which is Urojo, is ready, and pour in a medium large bowl. And it's high time to prepare our Zanzibar mix. You're going to add the potato stew, which is Urojo, then add the kachori, bajira, masala stick and some chutney sauce. So if you're going to have beef or chicken grilled skewers, go ahead and add them because that's the way the Zanzibar make this mix, and our tasty Zanzibar mix is ready. The recipes on how to make this kachori, bajira, masala stick and this chutney sauce are already on my channel. I'll put the links in the description box so you can able to check out these recipes. And our tasty Zanzibar mix is ready. As you can see in the video, this mix is so tasty. You can eat along with some juice or some ice and enjoy this delicious Zanzibar mix. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.